Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix OmeTV camera loading error. So here, if you can see here, your device access to your device, your partner will not able to see and hear you. So how you can fix this? So let me just refresh this page once again here, and I will just make it this small. Now here you can see this option, right? I hope so. So if you just go and click here, you will get this option of camera. If you're not getting this option of camera, you have to go to the site setting, right? Automatically you will get it here now, and just scroll down. Now you will get this option of camera. You have to allow this. So now once you allow this, you will get this option of camera. Make sure you reload this page. Now after that, you have to just go and click on this. After that, make sure you go to manage, and there's one more thing. Make sure that this is turned on. Right now here, this is a camera option. If you have more than one camera attached to your laptop or PC or device here, you can change the camera. So this is my working camera, so I can change my camera here, and this is my OBS camera. So in this way I can just, and once I change here, automatically it will happen. Right, so this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.